pin it. I'll try and pin it now, Paul. I've pinned the comment now, Paul, alright? Thanks for sharing the live, guys. 1,400 of you on the live, guys. If you're new to the channel, please come and say hi. Give us a follow on here. Go onto YouTube and hit the subscribe button on Earl's Epic Adventure. Come back over, tell me that you've just subbed. Just say sub, and I will mention your name on here. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Thanks for sharing the live, Talon. Thanks for the follow, UK. Sung Sam, thanks for the follow. There he goes. It's going to be a fast one. It's going for it, that is. He'll be up quite fast. V1 and rotate. Come on. There he goes. Oh yes. That didn't take long, did it? It did pick up speed, didn't it, Jamie? Climbing quite fast as well, that. Now that is gone. We've got the escort car over there. Don't know what he's doing. This one wants to come across. Wow. There's a lot happening. I'm going to come back down for a drink, guys.